Now coming to the next concept, that is marketing management. I've told you about what marketing is. Now what is marketing management? Here also those 5 steps of functions of management, that is your planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling, all those 5 steps will be performed in order to achieve your overall marketing objectives, right? So marketing management means management of all activities related to marketing. It is planning, organizing, directing, controlling the activities which result in exchange of goods and services, right? It involves 3 points. Number 1, choosing a target market. Now when we say choosing our target market, that could be in terms of age, sex, income group, right? What is the target market that you are aiming at? पहले सबसे पहले आपको अपनी टारगेट मार्केट चूज करनी है. अगर इफ आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ सेलिंग शूज, तो मेरी टारगेट मार्केट क्या है? जब मैं एंटर करूंगी मार्केट में, तो डू आई वांट टू सेल शूज फॉर किड्स, लेडीज एंड मेन, और डू आई ओनली वांट टू फोकस ऑन मेंस वेयर? Right? So I have to be first very clear. Or if it is in terms of phones, what is my target market? Right? If it is a smartphone of about 50,000 rupees, then the target market definitely is a high income group. Clear? Then accordingly because it's very important to be clear of the target market, because the rest of the decisions are based upon your target market. Right? So once you've identified your target market, second is you have to create and groom customers in target market. अभी तो आपने सिर्फ target market identify की है, right? They are only your prospective customers. Prospects हैं, meaning कि वो आपके customer बन भी सकते, customer नहीं भी बन सकते. तो we have to continuously aim at creating customers and grooming customers in our target market, right? Now how do you do that? By creating products, by creating offerings, or by creating products which are going to meet the needs and preferences of the customers in the best possible manner, and in a manner which is better than the other competitive brands which are available in the market, right? Next comes creating superior value. कोई कस्टमर अगर किसी और ब्रांड का प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहा है, तो वो आपका प्रोडक्ट क्यों लेगा? वो आपका प्रोडक्ट तभी लेगा अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट कोई एक्स्ट्रा फीचर ऑफर कर रहा है. If your product is offering another feature which is better than the existing products, and which any of the other existing products is not offering. So it's very important to create a customer base. अगर आप एक already existing products काफी सारे हैं, ठीक है, काफी सारे ब्रांड्स एक प्रोडक्ट लाइन में है, शूज, अगर शूज का ही हम एग्जांपल कंटिन्यू करते हैं, काफी सारे ब्रांड्स हैं स्पोर्ट शूज में, तो कोई आपका शू में कुछ तो ऐसा यूनिक सेलिंग प्रोपोजिशन होना चाहिए जो कि दूसरे ब्रांड के कस्टमर्स, दूसरे ब्रांड से हटकर लोग आपके ब्रांड को लेना चाहेंगे. सो यू हैव टू कंटिन्यूअसली एम एट क्रिएटिंग सुपीरियर वैल्यू, राइट?